So this is Euro Yen analysis for Monday, the 23rd of October. Now, let's just have a look at the high time frames first, just to see how prices have developed so far this month. So, we've mentioned the strength of the euro on many occasions, and this is no different. So, we look poised for the 7th consecutive month of bullish price action. We're trading bullish territory. We're trading near the month's highs, and the euro yen doesn't seem to be looking back. We look poised at the present on the monthly chart to test 35.60, above which we also have this major level at 140. There might be a few minor levels in and around before we get up to 140, but the strength of the euro doesn't seem to have any balance. So we've had our lows in around here, in around late 2016, and we had a bit of a pullback, and we posted a higher low in and around the early part of 2017, from which we have not looked back. So euro yen monthly chart, pretty easy one, nice and bullish. So on the weekly chart, it's going to be a similar story, and as you can see, on the weekly chart, let's get the pen out very. Whoop, oh my goodness me! So let's get the pen out quickly, and let's just see. So we had a sloping move to the upside here, and then we had a strong run, went up to the 400 period moving average, pull back. I think it was 500 pips, found support in around where we had this consolidation, broke to the upside, formed a bull flag, broke again, formed a bull flag below the 200 period moving average, broke again to the upside, formed another bull flag, and we appear to be breaking again to the upside. So let's just clear this chart up. So as can be seen here, we had three candles worth of 3 candles pullback on the weekly time frame, and we've had a very strong close last week. We closed pretty much near the candle's highs, which indicate pretty much a breakout to the upside. So we do expect continuation all the way up to 35.60. All the major moving averages are currently below us. We do not appear to have anything of note stopping prices from heading to the upside. So I'm just going to have a look at the daily chart. I can imagine it's going to be a strong daily chart as well. So on the daily chart, you can see here, I'm not a huge fan of these daily charts, but we can see here, we've had the thing about daily charts, we've had a lot more consolidations I'd like. So we've had our lows down here, had a pretty long consolidation there before a break to the upside, a sizable pullback for a break, pullback, break, broke. We're in a bit of a range at the moment, but we have had a strong, more recently we've had a pretty strong trend. I wouldn't say it's a trend, it's a minor trend, but we've had pretty strong 3 days. We had the first day, the 18th, with a strong close, bullish candle, strong close. In light of the previous 4 or 5 candles, it would be an engulfing candle. It's larger than the 454. It's bigger than the last 4 candles, closing near its highs, indicating there's some strong momentum, and that momentum has continued the 2 days which followed. And yeah, we are heading up towards to test these highs up here in and around the 134.38 level. We'll see our price reacting around at 134.38 before a move towards 135.60. We do look poised with the momentum to break out of the current most recent range. So if we go down to the execution time frame, let's see where we are. So on the execution time frame, we can see, here? Well, we had this major pullback in around the 19th, but what we want to look at is what happened on the 20th. On the 20th, we've had the continuation to the upside. We had a bit of a pullback, and currently we've on Monday we've had a gap up, a small gap, but a gap nonetheless, all the way up into resistance of 134. Now we are seeing a bit of weakness in around this 134, which is our next major level, and we could potentially see prices pull all the way back down to the 133.70 region fill that gap before using it as a springboard for another retest and possible break towards 135.60, all the way up there. It's 160 pips away. Now we could also see prices break down from this 134 and pull all the way back, even below where the gap is. We could potentially pull all the way back down to 133.45, where we have had a minor level of well, it's not minor level, it's a weekly pivot of 133.45, below which all the other levels are pretty clear on the charts. We've got 32.83 we'll be looking at, and we've also got the 200 and 400 period moving average, currently both sitting at they'll change a lot by the time prices do get down. They're currently sitting at 132.78 and 132.62, but by the time prices get down there, those won't be the levels. Below we'll definitely have to have a look at where we find buyers step into the market in and around the lows here at 132.47. So that should pretty much wrap up Euro Yen. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.